Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. Today we are reviewing a product review. Now, this company called Joy Tutus, or Titus, or it's Joytuts. They emailed me, and they're an Amazon seller, and they asked if I'd review some products. They are not paying me to do this review, but they did send me the products for free. So what they have here is something that they're advertising as a car umbrella, which is what it says on the box. And the little insert that comes with it says the Car Sun Parasol. I guess parasol? Baby Mama's behind the camera, by the way. Hey, Baby Mama.
Hey. Parasol.
Parasol is an umbrella. It's a fancy
Correct.
way of saying umbrella, right? So they're saying this is 130 centimeters by 79 centimeters. I don't know what that means in the imperial measuring like we do. And it says it's also got a glass breaker on the end. This will break. This doesn't look like. Oh, it's underneath the thing. You screw it off, and a glass breaker on the end. Oh, it's a little thing that punches out. That's neat. Okay. So if you smash this on a oh, look at that. Can you get that? You see that? Is it focused? Mm-hmm. All right. So it's got a little doohickey in there, so that when if you want to break like a shatter a window, a car window in an emergency, you punch it in, and that little point.
But if it's in your
kicks
car,
out.
how are you going to break out your glass to get in your car?
Well, I guess it's for somebody else. It comes with a little. I don't know. I guess that's what makes it a car umbrella, is that it's got a glass break thing on it. Because why would an umbrella be a car umbrella other than it's small? But to me, I never use an umbrella, so to me this could just be any old umbrella. So you open it up. I'm looking to see if there's a button to make it come out.
You see, it's silver. It's like those car shades.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, you know, like you put in your windshield so your car doesn't get hot.
Yeah.
So I don't know what the
there's a
point.
little button here. Let me press the button. All right. Oh, you got to pull it. It's got a little locking mechanism there. Oh, and you push. Oh, look at that. That is weird.
What do you do with it?
Oh, you know what this does?
Huh.
This goes on your
windshield.
windshield.
I've never seen it in the shape of an
Oh.
umbrella, though.
Me neither. I guess that's why it's called a car umbrella.
I knew it was something had to do with the car because of the color.
So this goes on your windshield. Could you use it as an umbrella?
They're a little weird.
Oh, so
So
it's
it probably
not an
just-
umbrella. It's
right.
not an umbrella at all.
No. You put it in your...
Which really screws this whole video up, because being that you use umbrellas and I don't, I was actually going to have you come and stand and hold the umbrella, and your son inside was going to dump water on you and miss the top of the umbrella.
And I would have killed him because it's freezing out here right now. So if this video's a little shaky, it's because I'm cold.
We can't do it. It's not an umbrella, Stephen. They call it an umbrella, but it's not. This goes
And that wouldn't have been very nice
on the
either.
dashboard. So you stick this on the dashboard to stop the sun's rays from heating up the inside of your car.
Right, they're usually like foldable.
Yeah, but this is even easier because that big thing folds up and you never fold it up right. This, boom, you fold it right back up like that.
And boom, you put
and
it
you
away.
stick it in a little bag.
Yep.
Would you use this in your IROC?
Yeah,
Wow, this is
just when it's
neat.
hot.
Right.
I would have used it in the
Right, in the
cars you have
well,
leather seats.
In the summertime, yeah, when you go to the beach and when you're cruising down to the beach with your T-tops,
Yep.
right, and your bikini and your string bikini,
Yeah.
and then you get to the beach and you
And
put
scare
this in your window,
In the car.
and it's got the reflective silver.
But if the T-tops are off, it doesn't matter because the car's going to be hot anyway.
Yeah, I guess so. But anyway, yeah,
Excuse
we don't
me.
really use those sun things, but
No.
we did years ago. Remember, we used to have them, and we did. So this is pretty neat. It actually works really well. The mechanism locks up, and it locks back in, and then you take it and you see it goes down into that clip there, and it holds it in place.
You just got to put it in the car to see if it actually stays in there good.
I think it will, because it's going to go right behind the, it hooks
yeah,
between the dash,
right.
where the windshield meets the dash, and
Right.
behind the rearview mirror.
Okay.
And then you take it and you give it a little,
Perfect.
this. Where's the, oh, there it is. You're going to wrap it around. And let's see if we can stick it back in the bag without a big problem here.
Okay, you could do that later, right?
No, I can't. Are you cold, camera woman?
I'm a little chilly, yes.
Well, chilly. Look at that, and
little
it
chilly.
fit
I'm
right back
standing
in
in the
without
shade.
without any crazy effort. It went back into its nice soft. All right, so I guess you got it stowed in you can put it in your door panel, back in the trunk. You can fit this in the console. So you pull up to a hot parking lot in the summertime, and you're gonna be leaving your car. So you pull it out of the pouch, undo the Velcro, and you push it up. Come on. Oh, there it goes. I was pushing on the wrong thing. That was operator error. So you pop it out all the way till it clicks, and then you put it down to the base of your windshield. And I guess in this vehicle, we tuck it up behind the visors, and boom, there it is. All right, covers this. This is a Chevy Suburban, so this is probably going to be the bigger of the windshields. It covers a decent amount of the windshield. It doesn't go from one end to the other. It's about I don't have it in the center, but I'm missing about 2 inches on that side. Steve-O, if you could grab that. And I'm missing like 4 inches on this side. You could center it if you wanted to. It's real big though, and for the cars that have those really slopey windshields now, it is big enough this way to cover the whole windshield. This Suburban doesn't have a windshield that's that big going that way, but it does have a big side-to-side windshield, and if I centered it nice, it would only leave me about 2 or 3 inches on either side, and I'm sure that would cut down. I like it. I really never, when I first started driving, I had one of these things. One of the ones that folded up, like a big cardboard thing that folded up, and we used to use it. And then we never really used it. We just put up with getting in a hot car. But having something that folds up this compact and this easy, because now when you take it and you're done, right, I would flap my visor back up, pull it out with the handle, and boom, folds right back up. Give it a little fold like that. You take this doohickey and you wrap it around to get it nice and tight. So that you can slide it back in the pouch. Alright, so you take that pouch, open it up. Let's see. It's always the danger of these things is that, they don't fit back in the pouch. But this actually fits back in the pouch fairly easy and easy to stow away. And the glass breaker thing, that's really neat how that, when you push it all the way in, that little metal glass breaker pops out. So if you had to break a window, pound it like that, and you break the window. I will put a link to this product in the description below. I kind of like it. I was wondering, why are they calling it a car umbrella? Why are they sending me an umbrella? Is it a car umbrella because it's small and you could stick it, in your console? Or, why is it a car umbrella? And now we know why it's a car umbrella, because it's not an actual umbrella. It's a sun deflector for the windshield. Yeah, that is pretty neat.
I knew it was a dead giveaway once it was silver. When you opened it up.
Yeah, dead giveaway. You didn't expect it to be rectangular, you liar.
No, but I'm saying once it was silver, then I kind of knew what it was. It was something for the car, like a sunshade. Umbrellas aren't silver like that.
That is pretty neat, I gotta say. So, Joy Tutus, it's called the Car Sun Parasol, and it folds up. I think this has use, all right? If you want to check the product out, it'll be in the link will be in the description below to buy one of these. Hope you enjoyed our product review, and as always, thanks for watching.